If you're interested in learning about how to shoot product photos, maybe how to light your product photos on set, and some easy DIY things you can do on a budget to get started with shooting product photos, join me and I'll show you some of the tips and techniques I've learned along the way. For today's product shoot, I'm going to be using the Canon R5 mirrorless camera. For lighting, I'm going to use the Stella Pro light. It's a CLX 10,000 continuous LED light, and I'm going to mount that indirectly inside an Elinchrom 150 centimeter Rotolux deep octabox. And this will give me nice, soft, diffused light, kind of mimicking the light that you would get through a window. I also have a Stella 5000 light. It's a continuous LED light that I have mounted here on a C-stand overhead of my tabletop setup. And I might choose to bounce that off the ceiling just to give us some extra fill light coming down towards my product if I feel that I need a little extra light to enhance the image. Today we're going to be photographing these replica vintage pull toys. They have kind of a charming rustic feel to them. So I've built a set out of using some old barn boards and planks that I've simply propped up on some apple boxes on top of an old card table I had lying around the studio. As you can see, I have my main light coming from camera left, and this will simulate light coming through a nice big diffuse window. I'm also using a black V-flat. You could use a simple piece of cardboard to block some of the light off of the far back end of my set. This will enable me to create a sense of depth in the final image by creating shadows behind the products themselves. When shooting products, I always work on a tripod. This ensures a nice, stable, and steady picture with no camera shake. So there you have it, my super simple setup of how I shoot product photographies from here in my home studio. If you'd like to learn more about product photography, I recommend a great video over on the B&H Photo Video channel. Photo experts Jake and Bobby will walk you through 3 easy steps to do product photography from the comfort of your own home. I'll drop the link in the comments below.